Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put together a quick video, just running you through the fix for a certain fault code on this 2016 Rangerover Evoque. This one's the 2 litre ingenium engine. Now basically we've got the engine warning light on the dash there, that's all. And we've plugged it in with the top-down diagnostic machine. We've done a full code scan. We've got 2 fault codes in the engine ECU. We've actually got one relating to the EGR circuit, which we're going to be looking at in a different video. But the main fault code we're focusing on for this video is P25A9, which is relating to the piston cooling oil jet solenoid control open circuit. This is quite a common issue on the Land Rovers. Come across this a few times. Basically, we've got a genuine solenoid valve. This is the valve here. So this is a genuine Land Rover one, but I'll put a link in the description below to the part number or a link to where you can get one from as well. But they're quite a common issue. We've fitted quite a few of these now. But obviously you do need to check the wiring. It's just simply a 2-pin connector on there. You do obviously need to make sure the wiring supply is okay, but these valves are actually really common. But we'll just get it up in the air and just show you where the valve's located and how to replace it as well. And just before you get into the video, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, just click on the red subscribe button below to make sure you don't miss out on any future content. Right, so the location of the switch, if you just come underneath from the front, got a starter motor here, aircon pump there. It's going to be a bit tricky to show you, but just coming up from the aircon pump as well, just on the block up there, you have just got some sort of little shields there as well. You just need to take out the way. I'll just try and put the camera up there just to sort of show you roughly where it's located. You can just see the back of it there. Obviously all you need to do is just disconnect the connector there and then just reach it. It's a little bit awkward, but just get the bolt out, that's all, to swap it over. Obviously it'll be a bit tricky to film it, but I'll just get it swapped over now and then we'll just get on to clearing the fault code and giving it a run, seeing if it fixes the fault. Now it's just got the connector off, and all you need to do, can be a little bit tight, it's just a tiny little flat blade screwdriver. Just flick this red tab back, and then when it's back you can then pinch it in. You can see that will release the tab there. So next thing we'll have to do is just undo the 8mm bolt, that's all. So we've got it out. It's a little bit awkward and fiddly to do. Basically just got a tiny little ratchet on there, 8mm. There's only enough room just to crack it off. And once you've cracked it off, you could just use the socket on its own to wind it out. But the actual piece itself was quite tight in. The centre there spins on its own. But all we had to do is just get some mole grips, just these tiny ones on there. Just managed to just get it on it just enough to work it, just to pop it back out. So we can just get it all swapped over now, get the new one fitted, and then get it cleared out and give it a run. Right, so we've just got back from road test. We've done about 5 miles, drove absolutely spot on, we've had no issues at all. Before you could actually clear the fault, but the light would come back on after about half a mile. And we've done about 5 miles there and it hasn't come back on, so quite happy that's fixed the fault. We've done another full scan with the top-down diagnostic machine. You can see that the engine ECU is nice and clear there. The EGR fault hasn't come back. That will come back. Sometimes that does take a little bit longer to come back in, so but that'll be a video for another day to look at. We have got one fault left in the body control module with this configuration error, but obviously that's nothing relating to this issue that we've been looking at today. So quite happy that's fixed the fault. Just thought I'd put the video together in case it helps anyone with the same issue, if you're looking into the same code or just finding where the actual piece was as well. Just the first time when I was looking for one, it did take me a little while to find it because it's hidden behind that sheathing as well. So but yeah, if you need a unit, if you just check the links in the description below, I'll put links to where you can get one from as well. But yeah, hope the video helped. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.